Can I be honest with you? One of the most common things I hear from English learners is this: I want to practice English, but I have nobody to practice with. No partner, no class, no native speaker nearby. Just me, at home, alone. And so they wait. They wait for the perfect moment, the perfect partner, the perfect situation. And while they wait, weeks pass, months pass, and their English stays exactly the same. My friend, waiting is the biggest mistake. Because here is a truth that will change everything for you today. You do not need another person to practice English. You only need yourself, your voice, your home, and the right habits. And today, I am going to give you exactly that. Hello, and welcome back to Twin Talk English. I am so happy you chose to spend this time with me today, because what I am about to share with you, you can start using today, right now, at home, alone. And it works. Let us begin. Habit 1, talk to yourself. I know, it sounds a little crazy, but stay with me. Every morning when you wake up, talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. I am waking up. I am feeling a little tired today. The weather looks nice outside. I am going to make some tea. Simple sentences about simple moments. But here is why this is so powerful. You are training your brain to think in English at the very start of your day, before stress, before distractions, before anything else. And the more you do this, the more natural it feels. Try it tomorrow morning, just 5 sentences about your morning in English, out loud. Habit 2, the mirror technique. This one is a game changer. Stand in front of your mirror, look at yourself, and speak English. Introduce yourself. Talk about your day. Describe how you are feeling. The mirror does something very special. It shows you your face while you speak, your expressions, your confidence, and slowly, you start to feel less nervous because you get comfortable seeing yourself speak English. And when you are comfortable with yourself, you become comfortable speaking with others too. Even 2 minutes in front of the mirror every day will build more confidence than you can imagine. Habit 3, voice recording. This is one of my favorite habits. Open your phone, open the voice recorder, and speak for 2 minutes about anything. Your favorite food, your day, something that made you happy recently. Then listen back. Yes, I know, listening to your own voice feels strange at first, but this is exactly how you improve. When you listen back, you will notice things. Maybe you spoke too fast. Maybe one word was not clear. Maybe your sentence was actually better than you thought. And every time you record yourself and listen back, you grow a little more. Your pronunciation improves. Your fluency improves. Your confidence improves. All at home, all alone, all for free. Habit 4, English inside your home. This one is so simple, but so effective. Look around your home right now. Everything you see has an English name: table, chair, window, door, cup, bottle, phone, lamp. From today, when you touch something, see something, use something, say its name in English, out loud, and then make a small sentence. This is my cup. It is blue. I drink tea from it every morning. Simple, real, immediate. You are turning your home into an English classroom. Every room, every object, every moment, a chance to practice. Habit 5, shadowing. Have you heard of shadowing? It is one of the most powerful techniques for speaking practice. Here is how it works. Find a short English audio, a podcast episode, a short video, even a scene from a show you like. Listen to it once, then play it again. And this time, speak along with it. Copy the voice, copy the speed, copy the emotion. Do not worry about understanding every word. Just focus on how it sounds, how the mouth moves, how the sentences flow. Shadowing trains your mouth to produce natural English sounds, and it trains your ear at the same time. Even 5 minutes of shadowing every day will show results within weeks. Your daily practice plan. Okay, my friend, let me put it all together for you. Here is your simple daily plan for practicing English alone at home. Morning. Wake up and say 5 sentences about your morning. Out loud. Afternoon. Find one English audio. Listen once. Shadow for 5 minutes. Evening. Stand in front of your mirror. Speak for 2 minutes about your day. Night. Open your voice recorder. Record yourself for 2 minutes. Listen back. That is it. No class needed. No partner needed. No expensive course needed. Just you, your voice, your home, and these 4 simple habits. Every single day. My friend, the biggest classroom in the world is not in a building. It is not online. It is right where you are sitting right now. Your home, your room, your quiet corner. This is where your English will grow, sentence by sentence, day by day, habit by habit. So do not wait for the perfect partner. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Start with one habit from this episode, just one, and do it every day this week. Because the learner who practices alone at home every day will always grow faster than the learner who waits for perfect conditions. You have everything you need right now. Your voice, your phone, your mirror, your home. Use them. I believe in you, my friend. I will see you in the next episode of Twin Talk English. Until then, take care of yourself, practice at home, and remember, you do not need anyone else to start, you just need to begin. See you next time.